It's been a sunny, good Friday throughout the Sunrise side. Temperatures have warmed up into those 50s. Thank you for tuning in to your Friday evening weathercast and looking at those readings. Everyone is in those 50s, 53 in Alpena, a little bit cooler in Harrisville at 50 degrees. As you make your way inland, a little bit warmer to 54 and 55 in Atlanta. Looking at those winds at this current moment, mostly coming out of the south or out of the southeast, between 5 to 15 miles per hour. But enjoy that sunshine today because there's going to be some big changes to the weather later on tonight and especially going into this Easter weekend. Right now, looking at that satellite and radar, beautiful, spectacular. Take advantage, go outside. It's going to be a beautiful sunset before those clouds begin to roll in later on this evening. You're going to see a couple of showers pushing through parts of southwestern lower Michigan, and it's going to be a gradual phase. We really won't begin to see our weather really crumbling quickly until after midnight tonight. Looking at that futurecast for this weekend, you can see there is a warm front, and that's really going to allow those temperatures to continue to climb even further for tomorrow, bringing the rain with it, especially by tomorrow morning going into the afternoon. So it's going to be a gloomy Saturday throughout northeast Michigan. By the time we get towards your Sunday, though, we could be dealing with a couple of rain showers still early on in the morning, so make sure to have that rain gear for a good portion of the weekend, especially if you are going to those early morning church services. With the cold front coming in sometime Sunday afternoon, that temperatures are going to begin to plummet and those winds are going to begin to pick up as well out of the north, and that's going to allow for some cooler air to come into the area as we begin the next work week. When it comes to rainfall accumulations, we could see rainfall between 1 to 2 inches between now through Sunday afternoon, and there could be some localized flooding. We could also be dealing with some thunderstorms within some of those rain bands. So when thunder roars, go indoors and turn around, don't drown if you're not sure how high that water will be. Now, looking at your hour by hour for tonight, you can see how those clouds begin to gradually invade, especially after midnight, and eventually the rain begins to come down by the time you wake up tomorrow morning as temperatures bottom out around 40 degrees. Going into tomorrow with that warm front, temperatures are going to take a drive towards that 70-degree mark with a 60% chance of rain. By tomorrow evening, we're going to bottom out only at 50 degrees. And here's a closer look on what to expect for your Easter Sunday. Some rain showers are possible early on in the morning. By the time we get towards the afternoon, we begin to gradually clear out. Temperatures are going to begin to get cooler, but those winds really will begin to pick up. So make sure to have that jacket by the time we get towards your Easter evening, and then continuing into your Monday, only highs reaching into those mid-40s to start off the beginning of the work week with the next best chance of rain until Wednesday.